Hello children, so I'm back again with a new story from Living English book. Let's begin. Chapter number 3, Apu and the Carrot. So this chapter is about a boy whose name is Apu and he plants carrot seed in his garden and one of the seeds becomes huge. Alright, so this is the chapter all about. So let's begin a story. Naveen did not bring crayons to school. What should Priya do? Tick the correct box. So children, there is an activity given to you. So here the name of a boy is Naveen and he did not bring crayons to school. So what should Priya do? As you can see Priya here. So what should Priya do? Priya should give crayons to Naveen, as sharing is caring and we should help each other. So in the next one, Alia forgot to bring lunch to school. What should Harry do? So as Alia forgot to bring lunch to school, so what should Harry do? He should share his lunch with Alia. Alright? Now let's come to the story. Apu loves carrot halwa. Grandma makes tasty carrot halwa. Children, I have already told you that this story is about a boy whose name is Apu, right? So Apu loves carrot halwa which means gajar ka halwa. His grandma makes tasty, means delicious carrot halwa. So Apu gets some carrot seeds from a shop and plants them. So Apu brings some carrot seeds from a shop and plants the seeds in his garden. So here you can see he waters the seeds every day. The seeds grow into baby carrots. Children, he waters the seeds every day, and if we plant the seeds and if we take care of it properly, then you will see that the seeds will grow after some time. So in the same way, he waters the seeds every day. He take care of the seeds every day and the seeds grow into baby carrots. All right. Do you know what happens to one of the seeds? It grows and grows and grows. Here you can see that one of the seeds becomes huge. On the next page, the carrot becomes huge. Huge means big. Apu tries to pull it out. He pulls and pulls. He cannot pull the carrot out. So children, as the carrot is too huge and Apu is too small for that, so he cannot do alone. He calls Tina. Help me pull out this carrot, please. Grandma will make halwa for us. So as Tina is a friend of Apu, so he calls Tina for helping him. Tina pulls Apu and Apu pulls the carrot. Now he says Tina to pull him, right? So they pull and they pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. So they both of them tried but cannot do that. Then Tina calls Minnie. Tina calls her friend. Her name is Minnie. Minnie pulls Tina. Tina pulls Apu and Apu pulls the carrot. They pull and they pull. Once again, they all have tried, but they cannot pull the carrot out. Still, they cannot do that. Then Minnie calls Raja. Raja pulls Minnie and Minnie pulls Tina. And Tina pulls Apu and Apu pulls the carrot. They pull and they pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. So children, here you can see it's like a chain formed. See, in this picture, it's like a chain formed where they all are trying to pull the carrot out, but still they cannot do that, right? Like Minnie is the one person, then Raja, Apu and Tina. All are trying hard, but they cannot do that. All right. On the next page, whom do they call now? They call Pom Pom. They are monkey. So now they called monkey and its name is Pom Pom. Pom Pom pulls Raja, Raja pulls Minnie and Minnie pulls Tina and Tina pulls Apu and Apu pulls the carrot. So they all are trying hard. They pull and they pull and they pull. Out comes the carrot. So now children, they could easily bring out the carrot. Here you can see the children and Pom Pom carry the big carrot home. They give it to grandma. Now they handed over a big carrot to grandma. She makes carrot halwa for everyone and all of them share it. So now they enjoyed it very much, and sharing is caring, and they share with each other. Thank you, grandma, the halwa is ready. So they appreciated grandma that halwa is so tasty, it is so delicious. All right, children. So this is very funny and very simple story which shows us that sharing is caring, and we should always divide our work, which makes easy, right? So teamwork is always a better than single work. All right. Now let's come to the back exercise. The first part is complete the sentences. So options are given and you have to choose the correct one to complete the sentence. All right. Apu gets some dash. What? Tomato or carrot seeds? Carrot seeds. Apu gets the seeds from a dash. Where? From where he gets the seed? Shop. Third, dash will make halwa for the children. Who will make? Grandma. So this is done for you. You have to complete this part. B part, answer these questions in your notebook. So we'll do it in the notebook. C part, circle the names of those who helped Apu and who helped Apu pull out the carrot. So who helped Apu? Tina, Meena, Pom Pom means monkey, and Raja. All right. In E part, read the words on the word wall. So first of all, you need to read all the words which is given on this wall. Seed, feed, need, page, cage, stage, pull, full, bull. Then circle the words from the word wall. So what you have to do, you have to circle those words which is written on this wall, like feed, stage, cage, and pull. Then F part, grandma wants to make vegetable salad. Circle the things he will put in the salad. So you have to circle those things, means those vegetable which he will put, means grandpa, which he will put in the salad. Right. So already it is circled. Filling the missing letters to name these vegetables. Pumpkin, carrot, and capsicum. Alright, so this is pumpkin. G part, filling the blanks with is or are. Apu and Pom Pom are in the room. The fruits are in the ball. So children, here as we are talking about more than one person, and here we are talking about more than one fruit. Alright, so that's why we have written are over here. A jug is on the table. The pillows are on the bed, and there is a toy on the rug. Then in H part, replace is with was and are with were, and rewrite these sentences. So you have to replace with was and are. You have to observe the sentence. You have to read the sentence first. Like Gina is playing. So you have to change the sentence. Gina was playing. Mummy and Papa are laughing. Mummy and Papa were laughing. Jasbir is helping Amma. Jasbir was helping Amma. We have to convert this into past tense. Alright. So these sentences will be converted into past tense. Rahul and Suzanne are dancing. Here were. Just you have to replace this word. So this L and M part both are cut. Then N part and this O. You have to do this in your homework, children. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.